Remember when AI was just a sci-fi dream? Well, it's 2026, and AI isn't just in your apps or your smart car anymore. It's literally jumping out of the screen and into your pocket, onto your face, and even into your ear. But with every company slapping an AI label on their latest gadget, it's getting harder to tell what's genuinely revolutionary from what's just noise. We're here to cut through all that hype. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 of the most talked about AI gadgets making waves right now. We'll figure out which ones are overhyped experiments, which are genuinely useful tools you might actually want, and which are giving us an early peek into where consumer tech is truly heading next. So if you've ever wondered which of these flashy new devices actually deserve your attention, and maybe even your hard-earned cash, you're in the right place. The gadgets that define 2025. First up, let's talk about the device that ignited a firestorm of discussion, the Rabbit R1. This bright orange, pocket-sized AI companion promised to be your personal digital butler, ready to handle just about any task you could throw at it. Imagine telling a gadget to book your flight, order your groceries, or even summarize a document, all with just your voice. The core idea is compelling. A single, dedicated device that learns how you interact with apps and then does it for you. It's supposed to be a step beyond voice assistance, using a large action model to understand and perform complex, multi-step requests across different services. No more fiddling with individual apps. Just speak your command and the Rabbit R1 handles the rest. Sounds incredible, right? Here's where the challenge comes in. The R1 is heavily reliant on constant cloud connectivity, raising some serious questions about privacy. Who owns your data when the device is accessing all your personal apps and accounts? What happens if that cloud service goes down, or if the AI misunderstands a critical instruction? Early reviews have been mixed, highlighting its limitations, occasional slowness, and the fact that much of what it does, a well-trained smartphone AI could also accomplish, albeit with more friction. For all its bold promises, the Rabbit R1 in its current form feels more like an exciting proof of concept than a polished product. It's an ambitious swing, but perhaps a bit too early for prime time, landing squarely in the overhyped category for now. We'll label this one most controversial. Moving from your pocket to your face, we have the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Now, smart glasses aren't new, but Meta's latest iteration feels like a significant leap forward. This isn't just about recording video anymore, although the improved camera is excellent for capturing moments hands-free. The real magic lies in the seamless integration of Meta's advanced AI assistant directly into your line of sight and hearing. Imagine walking down the street, spotting a landmark, and instantly getting historical facts whispered into your ear. Or seeing a new plant and having the AI identify it and tell you how to care for it. The audio capabilities are surprisingly good, making calls and listening to music feel natural, almost like the sound is just there. What makes these special is how unobtrusive they are. They look and feel like regular Ray-Ban sunglasses, helping technology fade into the background. This is a crucial step towards ambient computing, where technology is always present, but never demanding your explicit attention. While they don't overlay digital images onto the real world, like full augmented reality glasses, their discrete nature and powerful always-on AI assistant offer a tangible glimpse into a future where information and assistance are just a glance or a thought away. They're not perfect. Battery life is still a consideration, and while the AI is impressive, it's still learning. But unlike the R1, these glasses aren't trying to completely reinvent the wheel. They're subtly enhancing an existing experience with powerful AI. This is definitely a glimpse of the future. Next up, a gadget that might not be as flashy, but it's quietly making a big impact on productivity, the Plaud Note. If you've ever found yourself struggling to take notes during a meeting, interview, or lecture, or wishing you could magically distill hours of audio into concise summaries, then the Plaud Note is for you. This sleek AI-powered voice recorder isn't just for capturing audio, it's a full-fledged productivity powerhouse. It records high-quality sound, yes, but its killer feature is the way it leverages AI to transcribe your voice notes with impressive accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Once transcribed, it uses AI to summarize the content, pull out key action items, and even organize your recordings into searchable categories. Think about it. No more re-listening to an entire conversation to find that one crucial detail. Students can record lectures and get AI-generated study guides. Professionals can capture meeting discussions and have instant minutes generated. It solves a real, tangible problem, saving countless hours of manual work. While it benefits from continuous AI model improvements, its core functionality is robust and delivers immediate value. It's not a gadget that promises to change the world in a grand philosophical sense, but it absolutely changes your workflow for the better, right now. For anyone who deals with a lot of verbal information, this is a game changer. This device is useful now, and our label for it is Best Productivity Play. Crossing borders and breaking down barriers, we look at the Timekettle WT2 Edge, or W3. Communication is fundamental, and language has always been one of its biggest hurdles. Enter Timekettle's in-ear translators. These aren't just fancy headphones. They're sophisticated AI engines designed to provide near-instant, real-time translation right into your ear. Imagine traveling to a country where you don't speak the language and being able to have a fluid conversation with a local, each of you hearing the other in your native tongue. These devices support dozens of languages in different modes, like simultaneous translation for one-on-one conversations or speaker mode for small groups. While no AI translation is perfect and sometimes nuances can be lost, the Timekettle devices have reached a level of performance that genuinely solves a practical, everyday problem for millions. For travelers, international business people, or even families with mixed language backgrounds, these little earbuds bridge significant communication gaps. They're constantly improving with updated AI models, making them more accurate and faster with each iteration. They might not be something everyone needs every day, but when you do need them, they are invaluable. This is another example of AI delivering concrete utility. This is absolutely useful now. Finally, let's turn our attention to the heart of many smart homes, Alexa plus Echo Show. You might think, Alexa? That's old news. But hold on, because the AI evolution within Amazon's Echo Show ecosystem is transforming it into something far more intelligent and proactive. We're seeing deeper, more nuanced Alexa integration that makes the smart home truly smarter. This isn't just about yelling commands anymore. The latest Echo Show devices, powered by more advanced AI, are gaining improved object recognition through their cameras, leading to personalized recommendations based on what they see. They're developing a deeper understanding of your habits and preferences, anticipating your needs rather than just reacting to your requests. Imagine your Echo Show noticing you often pick up a specific item from the fridge in the morning and proactively suggesting a recipe. Or seeing you walk into a room and automatically adjusting the lighting to your preferred setting based on the time of day. This shift from reactive to proactive assistance is the key. While many of these features are still developing and some feel experimental, they point to a future where our homes are genuinely intelligent assistants, subtly working in the background to make our lives easier. This isn't a completely new gadget, but the AI powering it is rapidly evolving, giving us a clear glimpse of the future. So after looking at these 5, where do they land in the grand scheme of AI gadget evolution? In the hype category, we place the Rabbit R1. Its ambition is commendable, but it's still finding its footing, and the privacy and functionality concerns are significant. It's a fascinating experiment, but not quite ready to be a daily driver for most. For devices that are useful now, we have the Plaud Note and the Timekettle WT2 Edge/W3. Both solve genuine practical problems with impressive efficiency, enhancing productivity and breaking down communication barriers today. They deliver immediate, tangible value. And finally, giving us a clear look into the future, we have the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and the evolving Alexa plus Echo Show. These devices aren't just gadgets. They're platforms that are subtly changing how we interact with technology, making it more ambient, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated into our lives. They're paving the way for what's next. The takeaway here is clear. As AI permeates every corner of our lives, it's crucial to look beyond the flashy marketing. Focus on devices that address real needs, improve your life in meaningful ways, or genuinely offer a sustainable path to future innovation. Stay informed, remain a bit skeptical, and always look beyond the initial hype to find the tech that truly matters. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to check out our next video popping up on your screen right now.